All right, day 4, fourth rifle season. We're overlooking this big valley, and on the far ridge, according to the onX map, is a migration route. So we were doing some overwatch here in the area just to see if we can get any elk moving through as the weather breaks. I don't know if you can see, but there's blue sky coming through. We're looking westward, northwestward at just a lot of BLM land. There's a couple oil and gas pads out there somewhere. Lots of little valleys. And then there's a million places to hide still. I think on the map even showed a little watering hole for maybe open range cattle in the summer. But according to the migration path, the elk come up and over that ridge on the far side, and they go down into the valley, and they eventually cross over this direction. And in the distance is Highway 40. You can't see it. And a kid. And that flat top mountain over there, basically that's the direction the elk migration trail heads into. So talked to some other hunters today. No one's seeing any elk. We did see one elk in the back of a pickup yesterday. We don't know the story on that one, but not many people seeing elk, at least in the game unit 11 where we are. We've traveled lots of miles within the unit, and we've glassed literally for hours into every possible place where the elk could be. We're traveling through. We did pick up, now that the sun came out, it was really hard to see before that, but we did pick up some tracks, a trail over this way, but we also saw about 14 deer earlier, so we're thinking that those are deer tracks moving through. We did hear a shot earlier. It's apparently you can hunt for does if you put in for the tag, or you can hunt for cow elk, or both. So there's options out here. We have a bull tag, and so we are constantly on the look into all the hard places, the steep places, the hiding places. One thing I need to mention, the county roads out here, they do not plow unless they're paved. So of course they're not going to pave dirt roads, but just be aware that the dirt roads, many of them county roads, are also very sandy. And so what happens is your truck is plowing through the snow, which is somewhere around 6 inches deep now, and it gets mixed in with the sand. So you hit a soft spot or you hit a rut, you sink down a little bit. But when you start spinning, you're spinning against snow and sand, and it really mucks up your tires really bad to where you have no traction. And then you start to sink because you're just burying yourself into the sand, through the snow and into the sand. And we almost got stuck. So heed the warning, bring chains, bring something you can put on your tires to get traction, because it does get that bad on the dirt roads. When the snow gets deep, then there's sand underneath. It gets really nasty really fast. So do yourself a favor, bring a pair of chains so you don't get stuck. And that is it for day 4. A little bit of snow. The storm is breaking now. Tomorrow's going to be nothing but sunshine and the final day. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.